Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS height property, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS height property along with initial value. So quickly, let's get to our document and see what we got. We have this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS height and width property, and right now we are going to use initial property inside our height property. Quickly, let's do that. Initial. Let's give it initial and save our document. Let's see what we got. Can you see? Nothing is happening to our document if I won't lie. Let's give it all our h1. Nothing is happening to our element. If I won't lie to you guys, as you can see, nothing is happening to our element. So let's add our body. This initial means that it's going to have its default value. So the default height, as you can see, nothing is happening to our document. Right, as you can see, when I remove it and keep it back, let me remove it and save our document. Can you see? Nothing is happening to our document. When we scroll from up to down, nothing is happening to our document because we are telling it to have the default value. This one is just like as if we are saying you should have its default. This specifies the height of the content area padding and depending on the box sizing. So this one, because we don't have some values that you may put inside your document that will be giving you height, like when you specify box sizing right here, you are giving the border box, all of that, and you're not specifying padding. Let's give it 3 pixel so you can see some stuff I'm trying to show you guys. Reload. As you can see now, we are having this right now. Let's remove the initial so you can see what we have. Let's reload. Can you see? It still doesn't work. It doesn't do anything for us right now. So this is just like default, getting back to the default value. If I won't lie to you. So the initial value is like you are setting this height property, this element, to its default value. So that's what I would say right here. That's what I have to say. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Peace and love. Bye bye. Thank you.